is pause 3 seconds. So when you are in a situation where you want to communicate aggressively, you want to be listened to, you are in one of those difficult conversations, I want you to pause for 3 seconds. This is actually going to activate part of your brain. Neuroscientists found that when you pause even briefly, your anterior cingulate cortex activates. A fancy way of saying the part of your brain responsible for error detection and attention or lies, it comes to attention. And the pause literally kind of clears your mental windshield, allows you to see what is true or not.